man walks into a pet shop and sees a parrot with a sign, "Talking parrot, $50." He asks the shopkeeper, "Why is this parrot so cheap?" The shopkeeper says, "Well, he used to live in a brothel, so his language can be inappropriate." The man decides to buy him anyway. He brings the parrot home. As soon as he gets to the house, the parrot says, "New house? New, madam. Nice place." The man laughs. When his two daughters come home from school, the parrot squawks, "New girls? Fresh talent." They all laugh nervously. Then the man's wife comes home. The parrot looks at her and says, "Hi, Linda. Long time no see.